How to use the Safe Home Lead and Solids Test Kit with laboratory testing. This sample kit will allow you to collect and ship a solid sample like dust, soil, paint chips, and more to our EPA-Certified Laboratory to be tested for lead. Before you collect your sample to be tested, we recommend that you use proper PPE gear like the disposable gloves supplied inside the kit. Before you collect your sample, write your sample details on a sample collection bag with a permanent marker. If you are collecting dust, you will use the supplied ghost wipe. Measure out a 12-inch by 12-inch square on the surface you want to test. Then unfold your ghost wipe completely. Rub the ghost wipe from top to bottom, covering the entire area. Then fold the ghost wipe in half and wipe the area again, this time from left to right. Now fold the ghost wipe in half again with the contamination on the inside and continue folding until it easily fits inside the sample collection bag. Place the ghost wipe in the noted plastic bag. If you are collecting paint chips, use a scraping tool that is known to be free from lead to remove paint until you have enough to fill the sample collection bag between the minimum and maximum sample level lines. Make sure that no piece is larger than 1 inch wide. If you are collecting soil, use a tool that is known to be free from lead to collect soil to fill the sample collection bag between the minimum and maximum level lines. It is best to collect dry soil no deeper than 1 inch from the surface and to break up large clumps and remove as much vegetation as possible. Now that your sample is collected, seal your sample collection bag. Scan the QR code located on your chain of custody to register your kit online at our website. During registration, you will also pay your lab testing fee. You will then be provided with an order number. Record this number on your chain of custody, which is on the reverse side of the paper instructions. Once you complete your online registration, fill out the rest of your chain of custody. Cut off your chain of custody at the dotted line and place the chain of custody inside the clear plastic bag. Now place your sample collection bag and your sealed chain of custody inside the sample envelope and seal it. You will then ship your sample to our laboratory at your expense, using your preferred shipping service. You may ship the sample envelope as it is, or you may place it inside another package and ship your sample accordingly. To get more information about sample processing times, scan the QR code on your instruction sheet.